First up, we have the ever-reliable Brother XM2701. This lightweight and user-friendly machine comes equipped with essential features such as built-in stitches, automatic threading, and a free arm for easy sewing of cuffs and sleeves. Next on our list is the Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Don't let its name intimidate you. This powerhouse of a machine is perfect for beginners looking to tackle thicker fabrics like denim and canvas. With its sturdy construction and simple design, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is built to last. For those seeking versatility and value, look no further than the Janome 2212. This budget-friendly machine offers a variety of stitches and adjustable settings, making it ideal for beginners who want room to grow and experiment with different sewing techniques. No matter which sewing machine you choose, be sure to consider factors such as ease of use, durability, and available features that align with your sewing goals and budget. In conclusion, finding the best sewing machine for beginners is an exciting step on your sewing journey. With options like the Brother XM2701, Singer Heavy Duty 4423, and Janome 2212, you'll be well equipped to unleash your creativity and bring your sewing projects to life. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.